Hi everyone, this is a little vlog from New Year Eve, and we are in Florida. And the cool thing about being Russian married to an Englishman and living somewhere else is that we have to celebrate 2 Christmases and 2 New Year Eve. So we already had Russian New Year Eve and celebrated with my relatives on Skype. So, and now we are in the US, which is behind my hometown, about 8 hours, so 8 to 9 hours. So now it's a second New Year Eve celebration, and I'm going to show you a little bit around how we're going to celebrate here. I think it's going to be a traditional American way of celebrating the second New Year Eve for me. And usually I do celebrate New Year's with my family in Russia, but sometimes it's a different country. So this year it's America, and we are going to a local town hall in our community. In one of the videos I'll show you the community where we are staying in here in America, in Florida, and it's going to be just the residents of the community, and of course will be our friends. We have a lot of American friends, so they will be there too. And it's very quiet, nothing super special this year. A couple of years ago we had it really big, really special, but this time we decided to make it a little bit quieter because many of our friends are not feeling well. So last year wasn't very good for many of us, so unfortunately, but hopefully we're all going to leave it all bad things in last year and bring only the good things in this new 2018. Happy New Year once again, guys. Thank you for all of you who writing comments to me and saying Happy New Year to me. Thank you, I appreciate it a lot. So, and I'm gonna show you what I'm taking. It's pretty much, there will be some food out there, and I don't know what else is going to be because the first time we're going to be in the town hall. So the food will be there. So I got some prawns. I love prawns, you know. I can eat all of it on my own just in one go. And I made a typical Russian salad, you know. Actually I was making it today and I had an accident. Look, I cut my finger. Oh, it was so much blood. So it's not in the salad, luckily, so it was already after I made it. But so yeah, I made a little bit of the salad, and we'll take some sparkling wine, which is non-alcoholic because we don't really drink much. So that's what we're taking. But as I'm saying, there will be some food out there, and I'll show you later what else we're gonna have out there. Okay, this is our town hall. View outside. See, it's all the lights, and we're going inside. Okay guys, we're inside the community, so we have here the Christmas tree, and this is office where the administrator sits, the entrance on with the special card you can come in. So here we are. It's quite nice. This is where the party is going to be. Down there the stairs we have a gym, which I'll show you in one of my videos when I'll be showing you around. I'm sure you would like to see what it looks like. And this is a bit of the hall. Unfortunately it's closed from this side. I will go from the other side. We have a little bit of people already there, so I guess here we're going to have dancing. You see all the tables, they are quite empty right now at this moment, but we still have a little bit of people out there. So we're waiting, we're a little bit early. I wanted to show you my dress. I don't know if you can't see it. It's over there, the mirror. I'll get a bit closer, I'll show it to you while we don't have too many people. So I didn't dress up too much, but I have a dress. So, but it's very cold today, so cold. So I'm going to show you the food. What do we have? Like I was saying, some bits we were bringing, some bits were already there. We have drinks here, see, and coffees and tea. This is nice and beautiful table. If you have Happy New Year 2018, very Floridian. Some fruits. This is our dessert table. I believe there will be a little bit more. Right now it's not full. Let's see what we have here. We have like little chips and vegetables, and we're starting to have some hot food, rice noodles and some meat. We have some some sandwiches right here, and more salads and vegetables. Here we have our drinks, some wine and non-alcoholic drinks. So it's all pretty much ready.